Hey girl, what's up?
Hey girl, hey, what's up?
Yes, I'm just pulling up to the driveway, girl. I'm just getting off work. My feet hurt.
They should be hurting, girl, as much as your butt work.
I'm tired as hell. I cannot wait until I put in my 2 weeks notice. I can't wait.
2 weeks notice? Did you start your cleaning business?
Yeah, I started my cleaning business. I got my LLC and my EIN, so I'm good.
You know you do need more than an LLC and an EIN number, right? Because that's only just the beginning. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, baby. It's so many levels to this thing. Do you got any workers, any clients?
Well, no. I don't have any clients yet, and I don't have any cleaners, of course. I don't have any clients. But I'm working on all that. Like, I'll get it. I'll get there eventually.
You keep on thinking that you can just do this thing by yourself.
Listen, girl. Did you call me to lecture me? Or, I thought we was going to gossip or something. Dang.
Lecture you? We need to be getting to this money. Do you know how much money is out here for cleaning business owners? Like, for real, for real. There's a free webinar Sunday night.
Listen. I don't have no 15. I don't have no 47. I don't have no 97. I don't have no 997. I ain't got none of the 97s right now. Okay?
Did I just said it was free. F-R-E-E, free.
I ain't paying for it.
So you know you already paying for it with the lack of knowledge that you got, right? Well, I already know you're not gonna pay for it. You don't be liking to pay for stuff. That's why I said F-R-E-E, free.
Free, huh?
So you gonna do it or what? Like, do you want me to send you the link?
Because, you know, I love a good free summit.
Yes, because they talking a whole lot of information. I mean, like, you know the stuff that's not really on YouTube, and they always keeping it real. So what's up? You gonna do it or not?
Just as long as you know, because I got bills.
I don't know if you're gonna do it. Do I need to hold you to this? Because you know you tired of your situation, so let's do this thing.
Okay. All right, well, send me the link, and I will, girl. Send me the link.
All right. Girl ain't gonna do nothing. She always saying that.